All right, so here's a quick little update on the machine. I didn't get to work on it last week as much as I wanted to, but that's fine. I was able to do most of the wiring though. And I'd say I got a good 95% of the wiring done. Essentially all that would be left would be to actually connect the step motors and then connect the laser to the board and the limit switches, and that's basically it. Everything else is ran. I gotta clean up a little. That's kind of a rat's nest. Not really, it's not that bad, but I gotta clean it up some more. Everything is basically in place. The exhaust fit very nicely. I mean, everything did. I'm having an issue with these. This is obviously not the correct temperature reading. They're both doing the same thing, so I gotta find out what's up with that. I have two probes going into the tank. One is at the bottom of the tank, basically getting me the overall temperature of the water, and then I have one probe going into the line that eventually feeds to the tube itself. So that should tell me the temperature of the water going in. However, I for a fact know that it's not negative 35, so I'll fix that tomorrow or sometime. I added lights there, along here and there, and all across here. Now, this is going to be the button for the lights. Right now it's not doing anything. I'm powering the lights with an external power supply because I'm doing testing and whatnot, but I can turn on the exhaust through here. And same thing with the air assist. So that's it for right now. This week the plan is basically to finish it if I have time, which I should. I still need to work on the bed. This is not the right bed. I just put it there as a placeholder to kind of see things out. But once I work on the bed, then I can actually put the limit switches, the prox sensors. Once I have those in place, that's basically it, really. I mean, I just have to, like I mentioned, just plug in the stepper motors to the correct places, and then I can start running her and testing her and whatnot. And then paneling and all that other good stuff. But this is her so far.